We have that.
Now, this is a special gift. If you take care of it, it'll last you a long, long time. And then you can give it to your little boy. Okay? Go ahead.
Claire, get out of the way.
I wanted this for Christmas.
Do you know what it is?
A twine set. A toy. It's on the picture.
Oh, wow.
Why did we play this down in the basement?
JP, it's a train set.
It's an electrical one. I think it's JP. JP, we're going to be playing this down in the basement, right?
It's going to go under the tree at Christmas.
We're going to put it around the tree right now, and then we'll put it.
Oh, I mean, it's got a real engine and everything. Look at the cars it
Makes
has.
smoke, and it
And
has
it's smooth.
electric locks for the cars.
We don't